Now we will solve one problem related to bank reconciliation statement. So the question is, on 30th June 2020, passbook showed a balance of rupees 5,200. Passbook showed a balance. So bank balance as per passbook has given. So you write the bank reconciliation statement as on date of reconciliation is 30th June. 30th June 2020. 2020. This is the date of reconciliation. This date is very important. In this date we have to see the amount is debited or credited in the cash book or passbook or not up to this date. If not, then we have to reconcile it. And the bank balance as per passbook is given. Bank balance as per passbook is given in the question. Bank balance as per passbook is given. So you have to see the balance is debit or credit. Here it has mentioned that on 30th June 2020, passbook showed a balance of 5,200. The balance is not mentioned. It means it's a credit balance. It's a favorable balance. So you write in the plus column 5,200. Okay. Next is the first one is out of check amounting to rupees 16,000 deposited, checks amounting to rupees 9,000 were credited in June 20 and checks amounting to rupees 3,000 were credited in July 2020, means after this date, and rest have not been collected so far. So it's a cash book and it's a passbook. Okay. Now see, out of check totaling 16,000 deposited into bank, so cash book has increased by 16,000. Okay, cash book has increased by 16,000 and checks amounting to rupees 9,000 were credited in June, and only 9,000 check is credited in the month of June in the passbook. Only 9,000 rupees check is credited in the passbook. Check amounting to 3,000 were credited in July, means after this date, so that is not credited on or before 30th June, and rest have not been collected so far. So difference is what? Cash book balance is here and passbook balance is here. We have taken passbook balance as a base, so only we'll use this side to make the balance equal. So what we'll do, we will do the addition so that the balance will be equal. So how much we will add it? We will add it 7,000. If you add it, then it will be 16. Oh, then the balance will be same. So we have to add. So you write the information over here. Out of the check, checks amounting to rupees, you write the complete sentence over here, okay, and write it in the addition column, plus column, 7,000 in the plus column. Okay. Next is second number 2. Number 2 is what? Out of total check amounting to rupees 45,000 drawn, means issued Drawn means issued. Out of the total check amounting to rupees 45,000 drawn, checks amounting to rupees 7,500 were presented in June 2020, means on or before this date, and check amounting to rupees 18,000 were presented in July 2020, means after this date, and rest have not been presented so far. So you see, when we have issued the check, the cash book balance is decreased by 45,000, reduced by 45,000. Check is issued amounting to rupees 45,000, so cash book balance is reduced by 45,000 because this entry will be recorded or is recorded in the credit side in the cash book bank column. Checks amounting to rupees 7,500 were presented for payment, so only 7,500 is deducted or reduced in passbook. Okay, in passbook this entry is recorded in the debit side, only 7,500 up to 30th June. And check amounting to 18,000 were presented in July, and our date of reconciliation is this 30th June. So after that date, it means up to 30th June that is not debited in passbook, and rest have not been presented so far. So difference is, we are taking passbook as a base, so we will do the adjustment, addition and subtraction only in the passbook side. To make the balance equal, here the cash book balance is minus 45 and passbook balance is minus 7,500. So how much amount we will deduct so that the balance of both sides will be the same? Balance of both sides will be same. So 37,500 if you will deduct it, then the balance of both sides will be same. So we will write the sentence, out of total check, out of total check, total check. Okay, write the complete sentence which is written in the question and write the amount in minus side, 37,500, 37,500. Now see the next, third number is amount wrongly credited, amount wrongly credited by bank, credited by bank. How much it is? 3,400, 3,400. So amount wrongly credited by bank 3,400. Okay. So cash book and passbook. If amount wrongly credited by bank, it means passbook is increased by 3,400, 3,400. Whereas cash book balance is not increased. So mistake in the passbook, wrongly credited. So if the amount is wrongly credited in passbook, passbook balance will increase by 3,400, and as such no mistake is done in the cash book. So cash book balance is here and passbook balance is here. So what we will do? We are going to operate, we are going to take the base. Base is what? Cash book, passbook is the base. So we will reduce 3,400, then this will be equal to cash book balance. 3,400 will be reduced. So we will write in the this side 3,400 in the minus side, in the minus side. Okay. $3,400 in the minus side. Now see the next one, fourth one. Okay, next, see the next one, fourth. Payment side of the cash book has been undercast. Payment side of the cash book. Cash book payment side is undercast. Okay, payment side is undercast. So if the payment side of the cash book is undercast, what will be the impact? The balance, bank balance will increase. Bank balance will increase by that amount 200. If the payment side of the cash book, payment side means credit side of the cash book is undercast, then the bank balance as per cash book will increase by that amount. As such, no mistake is done in the passbook, so passbook is not increased. So we are taking the base as a passbook, so we'll do the addition to make the balance equal to cash book. So what we'll do, we write in the plus side 200 rupees in the plus. So payment side, you write the detail over here, that information, payment side of cash book, you write the detail. Okay, you write the detail. Now see the point number 5. Checks recorded in cash book in June 2020, checks recorded in cash book in June but sent to bank in July. So when we checks recorded in cash book but not sent to bank, so cash book balance is increased by 2500. Cash book balance is increased by 2500. It is recorded in cash book up to this date, but it is not sent to bank, or it is sent to bank in July, not up before this date. So passbook balance is not increased on 30th June 2020 up to this date. So what we'll do, we'll add it, then this will be equal to cash book balance. So what we'll do, we write in the addition side 2500. So write the information, checks recorded, you write the detail. Okay, thereafter next is 6 point is a check amounting to rupees, a checks of rupees 20,000 deposited, you write the all details, all complete sentence. Okay, so check of rupees 20,000 deposited in the bank has been dishonored, but intimation was received but no intimation was received till 30th June. So when the check is deposited into bank, okay, deposited into bank, so cash book balance is increased by 20,000. But that check is dishonored by the bank, so passbook balance is not increased, and the intimation of dishonor is not given to us, so it is not reduced in the cash book. So cash book is increased by 20,000, where passbook is as it is as before. So what we do, we will add in the passbook 20,000 so that this will be equal to the cash book balance. So we'll do the addition this side, addition column, we'll write in the plus column. Okay, we will write in the plus column. Now what we'll do next step, we'll do the total of both sides. So this side total is 0, 0, 2 or 2, 4, 5, 9, 12, 13, 14, 1, 34,900, and this side total is 40,900. So difference will be your bank balance as per, we have started with the passbook balance, so this here cash book balance, cash book, bank balance as per cash book. So this side is less, so 0, 0, 1, 0, total is 40,900. This side total is more, so 40,900. So we'll write the difference. Okay, 0, 6,000. So credit means, sorry, not credit, minus is more, then plus side, it means it's a overdraft. So cash book overdraft is credit balance. It's a overdraft. Overdraft. Minus is more than your plus. So if the minus is more than plus, so in cash book it is credit balance. It is credit balance is this much, 6,000. So bank balance as per cash book is 6,000. Okay.